The most asked question, should you come to Albania? I'm gonna show you so you can make a decision for yourself. I think you're feeling it already, so let me present to you our road trip to Lake Bovila in Albania. Hey guys, everyone say hi.
Hello.
We are taking a road trip and our friend here, Mike, is directing us to
Lake Bovila.
Lake Bovila.
It's the most beautiful thing you'll ever see.
You've never been there, bro?
You see a lot of pictures and it's like...
Google Maps told us it was the most beautiful.
Okay, according to Google Maps, Google reviews, we're gonna show you how beautiful it is so you can see it with your own eyes. But yeah, we're taking that Google recommendation and we're on our way there.
Everyone here just has a death wish.
It's been a complete adventure to drive in Albania and I'll show you some clips about that. See you soon.
Doing our best to keep it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna see a cow so close! Oh my god. Alright, so let me give you some information about how we got here. We rented a car at Enterprise in the city of Tirana. It was like a 10-minute walk from the main square of Tirana. The car, including insurance, cost us about $95, and from here we drove all the way to Lake Bovila. So from the city of Tirana all the way there is about a 15-minute drive, which is not that bad at all, especially if you're enjoying your time with friends. I do recommend that you get a good car because the roads are not completely the best. You're gonna find a lot of dirt roads, rocks, animals, a little bit of everything. It's a complete adventure. It's time for us to take a hike. I'm gonna show you what we're planning to do. We're planning to hike all the way up there. We're getting ready. They're premeditating. Yeah, pray for us. The difficulty level to hike the mountain is probably a 6 out of 10, not that bad at all. There were also some stairs that facilitated the situation, however, they were not the most steady stairs out there, which makes it a little scary, but hey, we all survived. It was awesome. In case you're wondering, yes, we did make it all the way there. To be honest with you guys, this is the first time that I do a hike in my life. It was such an amazing, exciting experience. I got to enjoy the view, enjoy nature, be in the present moment, have fun with my friends, and just do things that I have never thought I would do because of irrational fears and silliness, and here I am.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in
To conclude this video, I have to say that if you come to Albania, one of the things that you have to do is your trip to Lake Bovila. You will not regret it.